Hello Paulders, welcome to iampaulder, your diverse channel. If you are searching on how to register your SIM in the Philippines to comply with the Republic Act No. 11934 or SIM Registration Act, then this is the right video for you. Step by step how to register my SIM in the Philippines. Before that, let us better quickly understand what is SRA 11934. What is Republic Act No. 11934 or SIM Registration Act? The SIM Registration Act requires the registration of all SIMs, including those in card and electronic form, as a prerequisite to activation. Under the measure, users of all mobile devices, including prepaid broadband devices, must register their SIMs. The implementing rules and regulations of the SRA issued by the National Telecommunications Commission shall take effect on December 27, 2022. Under the law, all SIMs sold by telcos, authorized distributors or resellers will be in a deactivated state and will only be activated once the SIM buyer registers the SIM in the authorized registration platforms. Recently, all telco created websites links for you to register. If you are smart or talk and text user, you can register to this link. If you are Globe or Touch mobile user, you can register to this link. If you are Dito user, you can register to this link. Thank you Paulders. Feel free to use this template. Please help grow your diverse channel.